206 over to Route 78. As we look at our bridges and tunnels, it's been a very light traffic day. Of course, many of the area bridges are operating at sharply reduced speed limits, many posted as low as 35 miles per hour. That is where you find the speed limit on the New Jersey Turnpike today, 35 miles an hour from top to bottom. And on the Grand Central Parkway westbound, an accident is now cleared at Francis Lewis Boulevard. On the eastbound side, we still have an accident in the left lane right by the Long Island Expressway. And on Long Island, on the LIE, an accident is now cleared eastbound at New Hyde Park Road. North Valley Street, we have a collision on the shoulder of the Southern State Parkway eastbound at Central Avenue at exit 13. And no late-breaking incidents have been reported up along the Northern State Parkway. In Yonkers, we have an accident on the New York State Thruway northbound at Tuckahoe Road, exit 6. Another accident at exit 8 at 287 has been cleared out of the way. On the southbound side of the Thruway, we have an accident just before the approach to the Tappan Zee Bridge, and then another accident below that, right around Route 9A at exit 7. The alternate side parking rules are suspended today, but you do have to feed your parking meters. If you see a traffic problem, phone it into 877-466-1010 or pound 1010 free with AT&T. I'm Pete Torriello on 1010 with
The next Mavis Discount Tire traffic report in 10 minutes.
There's no mince words yet. Switching to Geico could save you money on car insurance. Hundreds, in fact, right there in your pocket. Easy to do online at Geico.com or by calling 1-800-947-AUTO.
With news time 11:53 now, the official 1010 with AccuWeather 4-day forecast. We could not be without you today. Needs more.
Well, thanks, Brian. And the big theme here is as bad as it is now, it is getting worse or going to get worse here as we get into the afternoon into the first part of tonight. We're seeing this flow off this southern Jersey coast really strengthening, and we're going to see a heavier amount of precipitation, and that'll be more widespread and longer lasting. And then we're also going to see the wind pick up, gusting around 40, 45 miles per hour, and some higher gusts